go. Headset should work. Sound should work. I forgot the radio part. And
you're gonna fly like a bird. Rainbows in your hair.
At Reliance said, test sound. At Netventive said, I only hear background sound track.
Okay. Properties.
At Netventive said, there you are.
Is the sound still okay? Because I think it's too low. I lowered the... OBS on my laptop is not great. Sorry, guys.
At Netventive said. Were.
Filters. Add a filter. If Herschel is here, is your sound in the normal range that is normal, or am I too low? I need more gain. I need more gain. Alright, let's try this. Okay, let's try this. So I have a little bit of gain, so I should be better. I've lowered the background radio a tiny bit, well, a lot. So guys, is this better? Because otherwise I need to keep tweaking and I'm not sure. Because it's always that hassle with switching from laptop to computer. The computer is decently sound-wise, but the laptop still has errors, so please give me information. Alright, so we have around 50 minutes left for the print. I need some drink. My sugar is also not the greatest, so everything goes right. Yeah, everything goes right. Boo.
At Netventive. Said. I can hear something with volume all the way up.
Okay, that means that I need to add more gain. Filters, gain. Okay, let's go to 16. Alright, can you hear me now? You should be able to hear me now, because this is the old level where the radio, the background sound was. I think the background sound can be raised a little bit now. There we go. Okay, this should be better.
At silent mode N. Said. Very faint.
Okay, so let's get the update. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 should be better now. If this is still very faint, if next person says very faint, I need to adjust it again, because I know there's a small delay of 10, possible 15 seconds now, because laptop is not that great. But let's get the timing out of the way. I think it's still slightly better now. Ah, at least I get my chats in. If you need to bake that in. Oh boy. Okay, this delay is long. Where is my home? Okay, guys, please give me feedback, because I'm really waiting on the talking, and you keep saying very faint, but I don't hear anything else. So is this better or not? Because I improved my gain and then you said very faint. I have no clue, guys. Please help me. Like, do I need to up it more? Because like, if I up it too much, then my own ears are gonna pop. So I cannot even go higher. Yeah, okay. All right, this is 25 decibels plus, so this should be better, but again, I'm not hearing or seeing you guys speak, so is this not working, or... Yeah, okay, the chat is
silent
working.
mode N. Said.
Okay, that is better.
That's better.
So,
at Netventive.
Yeah, nice.
Said.
So, both your sounds, are they around 50% volume now? Please say which volume you have on your computer and on YouTube. Because if one is hard and one is half, that means I still need to up it a little bit. Windows should be around 50 and YouTube should be around 50. I think like that's the better. Then I have the good range. But if you always have YouTube maxed out and Windows on 20%, that is also good. But I think this is the level of talk that I can do, and that's the smartest thing to do. So I think that's good. Okay.
At silent mode Ed.
Okay.
Said.
Yeah.
Around 70% on YT, 100% on OS. At Netventive. Said. I have you maxed at.
Still. What? What the fuck did I do? I created an extra scene. What the hell? How do I stop this? No. Fuck off. What? OBS, stop screwing around with me. You stupid piece of shit. Come on. Oh no. What have I done? I don't know what I clicked. Off that. Multi-fuel, go off. Ow. You stupid program. Sorry guys. I now have two screens and one is screwed up and the other one is not, and I don't know how to remove this. How do I remove this scene? There. Okay, found it. Now I can go back to sound. Yeah, everything goes wrong at the same time. Okay, let's get. Okay. 3.5. Okay, this is the highest gain I can do. So, but like, I'm maxed out at my system too. So, okay, the only thing I can do is the microphone itself. So let's see if that works. 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, this should work hopefully. All right, so all madness aside, now we have something. Oh, bloody hell. Okay. This should be better now. Okay, let's try this again. Let's try this again. Boo. Oh, live streaming is fun, guys. It's so great. Like, yay. I'm not sounding robotic, right? Because then it means it's still on the computer. The voice in itself is decently good because I oh bloody hell, if Windows put me back on the bloody microphone again. No. No, it should be the microphone because when I tap it, it spikes up. Yeah, okay, it should be the good microphone. Okay, at least that, so. Okay, I got the magnet inserter, so we have a new system here that actually clicks in. And then you can click the magnet in and this jams it in place, and then you can switch out, go to the next one, click it in, switch out, go to the next one, click it in, switch out. And hopefully this works a lot better than just doing it manually by Tom. And also the whole inside system here is changed, so it actually works better with this. And I think if this keeps working like this and maybe some small tweaks, I can probably make a version that you can insert all 6 at the same time. At least that's the idea, that you can do a click switch and get it in. Oh no. I forgot which one is the new one. Boo. Okay, let's put you a little bit here so I have that spacing. That's the old one, this is the new one, this is the cat one. Yeah, okay, so gonna use some magnets here and switch them in. So we do that. So we click one in here, because then it holds it in place. That should be click, click. Let's get the knife in. Oh, that is not printed good. Then we should be able to click those in here. The magnets also have problems now. Oh. Okay. Okay, we should be able to click them in here now. And then they should be able to click in. So this spacing locks it in place. And then we should be able, if I get a toothpick, I can hopefully show it. And I need a toothpick for that. So let's walk here, because I know I have a toothpick somewhere here. I had toothpicks here, I believe. There we go. Okay, but how is everyone doing today? I hope everyone is going good. Like, as I just sold, live stream was a little bit chaotic. A little bit of bad luck. We also have a magnet inserting place in this corner in the bottom here, in the back here. This one is a little bit weird, but when you insert it, you get that in place here. We get this one. So the moment we insert the magnet launches to this magnet hidden in here. And by that, when we move it out, it stays in the leg, in the leg part. So yes, we have a couple magnets in different places. And by doing that, hopefully we can make a magnet inserting tool. I'm now gonna go upstairs because I'm pretty sure the print is just done, so I can test this tool and hopefully it works. At least that's the bloody idea, right? I'm gonna walk upstairs because I think I heard the stopping of the printer. Okay. All right. There we go. Now I have my new marble piece, which looks a bit the same, but they're kind of different. So when we add more magnets, we should be able to do that. So doing this, doing that. So don't need too many magnets on the stack. So what should work if when we click it in and we place the clicker, then I should be able to do that. So I can click him in. I feel the click, a little bit out, retract, and get it in. So now I can click in, click out, get one magnet in, max it out, click it in again, pull them back, get one magnet in. Yeah. Click him in, get him out, pull a little bit more back. That's the angle because I don't see it correctly. Get it in, get it out. And that's 6 magnets in. Like, they're now all inserted. The only thing I have to do is add more magnets in the stack back again. And then go to the second. Also, this is not so great for my back, so I'm standing on a table, but going in, going out. Yeah. That goes decently smooth. I'm happy. Because we can keep adding and do that. Well, my back is really not the angle for the cameras, but I can actually do that. So like I'm really just clicking in, swapping out, clicking in, swapping out, clicking in, swapping out, clipping in, swapping out, clipping in, swapping out. That goes way smoother. So that's one piece done in a couple seconds. That is really cool. So I can do this. Yep. Too heavy. Yeah, that is really awesome. So now we can actually just click it in and do that. So like this is a little bit hard because now the magnets will fall out. So I can just do that click, retract, get them out, do that again.
At silent mode Ed said, sweet.
Yeah. Nice. I'm almost. That is way better. Cannot do too many magnets yet, so maybe I need to make a magnet chamber and holder for that. But it's loose enough that I can actually insert a couple. So let's see if we can, if the force of the gravity is enough for this. So I'm not sure that this will be pulled. So clicking it in. Yeah, okay. Then the magnets don't click in because the magnets are too heavy for that. So I can do that. Because the magnets now are dropping down here. If I remove the inserter, the magnets won't go to this magnets chain. So I need to push it, and then it goes. So too many magnets won't do that always.
Said, a magnet magazine aka mag fits to the track.
Yeah. Okay, so I'm gonna do one off camera because I'm killing my back with getting that precision, but I want to do the normal way. So Let's see if I get that feeling right. So 1, 2, 3, 1 out in, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Yeah, this feels great. Like if I can get the chamber a little bit bigger, a little bit curved, that you get more magnets loaded in with gravity based instead of this, because now I need to push it in with my hands, then this becomes a system that actually works. Like I actually can see this system actually work for a 6-sided every angle, because now I do not have the problem of actually having them. Yeah, that's what I mean. The holding magnet fell out, I think. This magnet in the back still has space, so I need to hold it. I didn't do that. So this one is connected, this one is also. Okay, so still some improvements, but this is a version 3 that actually works, because I can click it in, falls out, click in, falls out, clicks in. Yeah, this feels great already. I think there should, now there is a possible way where I can say I can actually click them in a good way that does involve that they will fully click in and make a slightly bigger magazine. Because if there are only 6 magnets in the holder, in this holder here, then they click into the next position. But if the stack of magnets here is too big, then this one doesn't line up to the next one, or we need a way stronger magnet. But if I do the same magnets, it's 1 magnet less that you need to buy, and then just use a couple of the stack. This magnet in here holds it in place, so when the magnet gets in, the magnet doesn't flip back, or the second one flips down when you pull out. So that's when you fully pull out and this magnet is not here, then this magnet here, the second one, will stick to the second one and you jam it up. This magnet in this holder makes it that the magnet inside the piece goes to the outside, so as far as away that the grouping magnets stick to this one and not to this one in here into the piece. I'm happy I did this one. So you need 2 magnets, one for alignment, one for inserting. And the inserting one grabs it there, the alignment makes it pull in. Yeah. This is cool. This is cool. I'm really happy with it. But I think we can make a decent cool way that we possibly can insert on whole thing in one fell swoop and just make a twist turn that inserts all 6 magnets. Like you put them down like this. You do a small switchy so you can pull magnets, because then the magnets always go down. And I think that way, if this is the ground, you can click it all 6 in, make a twist turn and do it that, because I with this system it's possible. With my older system it's not possible, because you had multiple magnets that didn't click in because the size was different, and now I have a range from 4.5 to 5 millimeter magnet range that all fit into this piece and don't fall out anymore. I think I can go a little bit tinier.
Said, yes, 6 bump cam should work.
Yeah, so with this system it works. With my previous system that is all in here, I'm saying that's not gonna work. But with this I can make it now work. I just need a good mechanic that actually when you go in that it switches out, but then the movement goes like this, but the turning is that. So I need to, oh god, So this is me needed to learn the, how do you call that in Fusion, the movement system, because I never used that. So I need to learn how to make the gantry movements that does the precising of straight, but turning to straight. I never done that. Oh, learning new things is gonna be fun, because then you get that system in place where, so the main part needs to turn, but this needs to go straight. So that's an inserting pulley, then a topper. So yeah. I think I can make that work, but that's version 4. I'm happy. We got new pieces, so we got extra pieces here, and we do all that. So let's put the camera a little bit more straight and up again. So this camera is not the best. Like the 360 camera is way better aligned, but there we go. Okay. Yes. I'm thirsty. I'm so stressed out because like the cameras were not working. I'm sorry, delayed. But we're gonna make well, slow. Well, we're gonna build this up and see where it goes. Because I still have a whole stack of printables, and now I have like. I'm gonna try to show, but my camera is on top of it, so let me get something else that I can put my laptop on. Like.
At Herzlner said, "Old man yelling focus."
Yeah. Right, let's move my laptop here so I can actually show. Cables are not being wet. So, from Polymaker, I got Celestial Blue. So that's a little bit mixy. And hopefully I can open the package and it is transparent, because I don't want to open it yet. Oh man, I have no nails. So let's see. Ooh, yeah. But this is a refill spool, so we get that shiny stuff. So I can put 10 kilos of this stuff. So it's the. I'm not the happiest with the non-spoolie stuff, but yeah, this was available. Now I need to print a couple of these extra Tessie spools because I don't have those. We got green, we got red, we got lime green, shadow orange black. What is that? Ooh. Oh, this is gonna be cool. This is an orange black mix. Oh, that is gonna look wicked. So that is orange and black mix. Oh, that is really cool. That is really cool. Starlight Twilight, Marble White, and Gradient Matte Pastel. Okay, I need to open the Pastel Rainbow. I want to see how that
Silent
looks.
Mode N said, "Nice hookup."
Yeah. That I reached out and I could pick a couple, and I'm really excited to put it all in and see how their plastic behaves. Because I will be complaining if it doesn't work correctly. Also, this is just cool. You open the box, you see happy printing. I like those small details just in the box itself. Just happy printing. That is really cool. Okay. I need more of this. This is gonna look wicked. Oh wow, this is so many colors. Okay, if I kind of wanted to say, okay, can you give me 2 more of these? This is the cool one. Oh, this is cool. I should have like, yep, nope. Oh, they're getting me hooked. Oh, they're getting me hooked. Oh,
That is one sick unicorn they
oh,
got.
yeesh.
At silent mode Ed. Said.
That's a good rainbow.
Filament has come a long way.
That's a good rainbow. Like, I hope the stepping is good, but I'm not sure. So, alright, it's gonna be a little bit more gray and bluish, but this also starlight. So this is. Wait, where's the package? Starlight Twilight.
Said. I love rainbow filament.
Yeah. So we got green, blue. Oh, we also got marble white for lamp. And matte PLA should also be somewhere here. Yeah, we have marble white, matte white. And marble white should be speckled too, which is also gonna look cool. But yeah, so I'm having the progress with the new marble design, which is still compatible with the old one. Ooh. Yep, this is gonna look cool too, because this is that speckled. I hope this one is not white, so it's just really tiny blackies. So this is gonna look cool too, but this is matte and silky. This is gonna be the hardest one to print. If I can get the settings right with this one, this is gonna look very awesome. But the hardest part is printing it. So I need to get some depth into the colors and do that. So yeah, wait. Did I lose the matte peel? I had a matte, right? One, two, three, four, five, six, seven, eight, nine. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Yeah. I think one is double. Yeah, that's fine. But that is really cool, the progress that I can make. So I can spend 10 kilos of this stuff. And I'm excited to see, like, because the planning for this build is keep building this one out. But we're going high around. So this center part will stay as empty. So you get a small bowl type scenery. And then when my normal plastic is out, I'm going to use all this plastic to actually invest into more of this track. So I'm going to do my best to keep this track alive and just keep building higher, higher, and higher. Which I really need, because this is the only bridging the tower pieces I have left. So I can go in total 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17 layers high. So if I raise all 5 layers by 3, that's my current limit, just by the elevator pieces. I can only go 3 layers high with just the elevators, and I pretty have more pieces, but let's try to build that out and see where it goes, because I am always getting confused, because we now have 15 areas, 15 pads laying on the floor or laying on the marble contraption here. And that's the hardest part. Puzzling this system out and then get 15 tracks all the way around in different locations, and well, man, I'm killing myself. Yeah, this was an awesome idea, right? Oh boy. So this one needs to go there, right? The camera is not the best, sorry guys. Like, I feel really bad that the camera angles is not what I wanted. But we need to build this one out here and this one out here. So this one goes straight. And this one goes in the corner. This one clicks in, so we can click here. So you go there. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. So this one goes up here. Then we need some spacing and some ground here. And we have this one over here. Now's the hard part because everything needs to be connecting. And we can make a straight here. But I hope everyone is doing okay. It's a good day. It was very windy here in the Netherlands, so... And let's get you a little bit more up. So we can actually see where I'm standing, right? Yeah, that's better. Whew! So we have this one here, and this one here. So now this one goes here. This one goes here. And build it up. So you goes in there. 1, 2, 3, 4. So this one goes up there. Ba, ba, ba. Where are my elevator pieces? There. Yep, over there. And while I make it look easy, I really need to process where everything is, and that's the hardest part, that I need to puzzle out where the hell am I going, where the hell am I moving, and how the hell am I keeping track of all the tracks. Well, that's what these numbers are in, because this is black 1, and then I can find tower 1, which is this one. So we have black 1 is over here. So when I get a marble in, and the camera doesn't pick it up that good, so if I roll this one here, you will see that it rolls all the way in there, and then it goes up there. And when I turn on the power, then the marble comes out here. This is black 1, right? So I misplaced this one. So that's how I keep track of black 1 to this position. That's kind of the only way to do it, and hence I made the trackers to actually make sense where the hell I am. It kind of works for a splitter too, but a splitter makes it really hard. Yeah, because a splitter can be completely hidden. I didn't think about that one, to be honest. I really didn't think about that one, huh? No. No, I'm being silly again. Crap. Yeah. But I can use a new yellow one. That is cool. Oh, this is awesome. New piece in place. This one goes here, and then we do another test. That's fine. This is fine. I know that one. But doing all that. But now we still need to puzzle this one out, because this one is now locked in here. So let's move this one. No, we don't have to. Let's get normal yellow. I already had a couple yellows. So cool. Then we get this piece in here. Ooh, this is gonna be a hard one. Okay, yeah, okay. And then click it back in together. And everything snaps back in. Magnets are great. I can take it whole apart and see where it goes. So then we have this one in here. So now we need the dropper of that. Oh, 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 oh. Pieces fall on the ground. That's not what you want. And gets it built up. Also, like, I just said it again, but how was everyone day going? Did you have some madness at work, or you had a free day, or just an off day, a relaxing day? Or you were like, I was just really doing nothing and just non-productive at all. Down. Right. No, down. Yeah, down right. This one goes here. This one goes here. That one goes there. And this one goes to the outside. That one goes to the outside, and that one goes to the outside. 1, 2, 3. So that is down right.
Said, I had the world's most unproductive team meeting. There was nothing achieved, so even an email would have been too much.
Wait, you ever wait. That then you're acknowledging that you actually had a productive meeting for once. Which the few I had were mostly always useless. So yeah, that really sucks. That really sucks. Now let's get this one in place. There we go. That is blue 4, so this should be there. So we now acknowledging that there are productive meetings. Because I have never heard of those. I never heard of those, man. Yeah, no, I cannot recall a productive meeting. I can't. I just can't. Like, no. I'm not accepting that reality. Okay, so that is that one. That one down 2.
Said, I have attended some. They do exist.
Okay, I have not experienced those yet. No, I don't accept. No. So this one goes here. And this one goes all the way here. And then that one can go out here. Okay, so this one and this one and this one goes. Ew. Oopsie. I locked this one up now. Right. Okay, we're going for the low head because I want to sit down, so I need to remove this one here. Get a round piece in. But yeah, like, okay, some have some production, but if I look at the whole meeting, it's always like 60% is a loss. Like, why did we need a meeting for this? Oh. Yeah. I need to go up this one here, and this one needs to go up too. So I'm gridlocked. Okay, let's fix this. So we're gonna move this one out of the way. We're gonna move this one out of the way. We're gonna replace this one here. Let's get this one over here. Now get that one over here. This one goes up here, and this one goes up here and up here. Now then I still... this one needs to go up here. So if I... Okay, let's fix that camera first, because I get annoyed by that. Okay, that's better. And let's get you a little bit in that area there. Okay, that's a little bit more focus on the corner. Okay, I need to fix this, and this one. This one also jams with this. This one goes here. This one goes up here. These two go up here. And this one can go zigzag around. This one can go higher, because this is the same level and these four are not in conjunction. This one needs to corner that direction. That one goes there. So this is not correct. This one is not correct. And this one is not correct. So let's fix it by doing all of that. Let's get some strength in here, because I know this is going to be fragile. There we go. That's slightly better. There and there. No, there we go. Okay, why is that not working? Ew, what? Ew. There was a loose magnet there. No wonder. That's better. There was a loose magnet. And that happens. Okay, so now we have that in place here, that in place here. So now we can do this and this. So now we have 4 pads going down here. And we can do that. I think this is a little bit low. Okay, this one needs some support in the bottom. So let's fix that one here. And let's see how easy then it fixes up. So if the polymaker plastic all goes correctly and I don't make mistakes and design errors, because I made some design errors, already threw away 18 new ones testing plastics, but I thought I was going on the right way, but one of the new inserter magnet pieces was wrong. So like, damn it. They were all directly obsolete because one magnet was unable to actually insert and get that click in. So then it's like directly like, yep, don't want to use them. That one hurt. But yeah. Okay, now I can do this one and this one. So now I can click this one and this one back in. And put this one in place. And put a lower one here. And we're really going one-sided, huh? So then we click this one in place here. Then we have that, so we can do reinforcement for this one here. that should work out. So if we remove this one, hold the line here and see if it actually rolls. Yeah, that is strong enough. So that one goes here again. And this one goes into, that's that one. And then we have that one back here, so that one raised up. And then we have this one over here. I'm slowly reaching out of droppers too. Like I'm getting low on everything. I'm getting low on everything. Ah, this is fun. So this 10 kilos should reach around 600 extra pieces. At least that's the goal. 600 more pieces. And as you can see, I'm already struggling hard with doing this one. Oh yeah. Alright, let's see if this one actually rolls. Yeah, cool. Double check. Cool. And that's the hard part, that I realized, like, cool, this marble track is not an instant dopamine hit, but I think the couple kids that are gonna play with this and get the experience, that they hopefully understand, hey, if you're built for a couple hours, at least your parents are happy because you're busy with building a marble track like me. Because if I think about it, like, I'm now 5 hours into this one. Yeah, I'm now around 5 hours building this one, just slow and steady, and then see where it goes. And I'm also talking and interacting, so I think the 5 hours can be reduced to 2.5 hours if I just go really speed focused on it. But at the same time, you know, this definitely keeps kids off the street. Keeps them busy, keeps them occupied, keeps them very occupied because it takes long. So, you know what? I think it's a decent, good design for that. So doing all that should be okay. It's there. Yeah. Yeah, it keeps kids off the street, so I'm not complaining. No, I'm not complaining. It keeps the kids off the street. I mean, they get another addiction, which is cracked plastic, but they do. I was gonna say they're not gonna take it in, but microplastics, so we already have plastics in ourselves, so a little bit more doesn't really matter, right? No, a little bit more doesn't really matter. It's fine. It's fine. A little bit more plastic doesn't hurt. No. Yeah, just a tiny bit of plastic. It's fine. The hell? Why are you not clicking in? There we go. Okay, that is a little bit more strength increase, so we get this one over here. Okay, so now this area is raised up, so now I can focus on the other area. Which is, I'm going slightly out of camera then, so that's a little bit boring, but you don't see me for a while. Well, you see me a little bit, but... Oh... 1, 2, 3. Then we have this one over here. And we get down right. Down right. Oh crap, I didn't post a Discord link yet. Oh, I forgot that one. I forgot the Discord link. Give me a moment, I need to fix that. Live streaming chat. Okay, there we go.
At Relians3D said, Discord server link here, https://discord.gg/rqfcf8g.
I should have known that one. Alright, I was slightly out of range so that doesn't really pick up. But, like, I mean, this is a nodey thing, so that this one always pop up, or is this one on top of chat? Because I don't think I have the on top of chat function yet, because I don't see that. I'm still puzzling out how that works, so yay, me. And let's go there, focus on that one. Okay. So yeah, mostly I try to post stuff there that actually makes sense. The build guide of the lamp is there, so if you want to read it and see spelling errors, please correct me, because I'm a dyslexic silly person. So I will make mistakes in that compartment. Cool. So now we have this one all the way over here. And that one builds out, so now we can go here. Go that vice versa and hopefully stack a little bit out here. So we're gonna build that out and undo that. Okay, we got that pad up and running. Now we need to work on this one here. So a little bit over there and do that. That one over there. That one over there. Nope, I need to go to the left here. doing that there. And then this one over here. Is this still in the range? So I need to go a little bit there. Yeah. Okay, because I also need to focus on this one. Because I need to go up here. But this one needs to go here and then up. Ooh. Okay, we're gonna add a little bit of pieces. So let's grab a couple. So do this. Do this. Okay, yeah, that goes fast. This one and this one goes here, this one goes up. So we go for, I think I want to go for this one and then, okay, so this one here, that needs a straight dropper. Oi, 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 oi.
At Avengers Q8H said, hi.
Hi man. We're building out the big truck here now. I got a good magnet clicker. If you start a little bit sooner, I think in the 20-30 minutes part of the stream, I'm showing off the new magnetic inserter, so the magnets to insert into the piece, which I'm pretty excited about. But how was your day, man? I mean, it's already late there. Shouldn't you be sleeping? I mean, you should be sleeping, man. I mean, that's a smart thing to do, right? There we go. Okay, now we need another dropper because I know that. Oh crap, I'm almost out of straight pieces, straight droppers. I'm slowly running out of everything here. Which is cool. There we go. So then we have that corner, and then we have this corner. Then we keep building like that. Ooh, this is too far. Yeah, this is too far. Ooh, this is really pushing it. Ooh. Nope, I don't want to do that. Like, okay. Down left. Down left. Boop boop. Man, I have a droopy nose. I don't like that. So this one goes here, and this one goes here. Okay, then we have that one, now we have that one. Okay. Magnets are awesome because everything clicks in and I can use gravity or defying gravity of the magnets. Up. Okay. This goes a lot faster. Okay, I need to do my nose because this drippy is not good. So be right back again. Yeah, okay. I'm happy that the Discord server is there. I still need to focus on actually social media posting and update that I'm streaming, but generating those texts and man, that just stresses me out. It really stresses me out. It's too much. Because then I need to post it on Instagram, I need to post it on that, and can I turn the camera a tiny bit? So I'm working here now, so let's see if this works. Yep. Okay, this works. That's better. Okay. There we go. And yeah, posting to social media is hard, so that's why I just live stream, and if you follow me, you see it, or if YouTube algorithm is nice with me, then you can actually find me. But I know I need to post on Instagram like, hey, I'm live on YouTube. I need to technically make a TikTok account and need to post there, but like at the same time, man, I need to make the text, make the pictures, make the intro, make the tags, and to be honest, that's a lot of stress that I'm not looking forward to yet. I'm just no. It's still too much, so I will get there. I've posted on some Discord servers, and that feels already good enough. But hey, in time, the numbers grow. But I appreciate that you guys are here, so I got that going. So we got this piece here, this one goes here. We have 2 splits there, we have 1 going left, we have 2 going right. We have 1 going up there, and we have 1 going up there. Okay. So I can now go to that area again. Switch the camera a little bit to that area and focus on that pads. I'm slowly running out of actual plastic pieces. Okay, so we need to run that one up and run that one up. Okay, so this one needs a straight piece, and doing that. But Avengers, if you're still here and not falling asleep, of course. How was your day, man? Okay. 1, 2, 3. Down left. No, down right. I can get the pieces in and then just easily just click in. Sometimes it goes easy. Oh. Yeah, I still like it. Yep, wrong place. That's why it didn't go right. There we go. Yeah, this is huge. This is too much. Oh, this is so many tiles. So many tiles. 1, 2, 3, 4. So let's move this one again. And then get this one in place. Get this one in place. I'm slowly running out of pieces. Like, it's getting low. It's really getting low. Oh boy. No, I cannot go that direction because this one is already going there. This one is already going there. Yeah. So this one needs to go here. because we need to be conservative. So this one goes here. So then we can go down right. Down right. No, down left. Down left. No, down right. Down. No. It's down. It's going down. I hope my sound should be better, right? Because I don't hear anyone speaking. So I assume everyone hears me. Okay. Let's see if this one actually rolls decently. No, okay, this one needs to go here. Okay, now it has the speed. And then we can go here again. So this one goes here and here. Place this one in here. Yeah, I don't think this will ever be a speedrunning thing. I was playing with the concept of making a small setup table where kids and people can race each other to see which one can build the fastest track, and I think it's still possible, but this is really gnarly hard. I think you need to keep it to one pad and then speed building it. Like, I think that's gonna be cool. But building it like this and then it's like, oh, you only have 10 minutes. That's not much. That is really not much. You don't really have much time at all. So that's, oh man, that's gonna mentally kill people. I'm all for that, but at the same time, like, ooh, crap. So yeah, no, we're not doing that. So. But if we do that, oh, that's gonna be so gnarly. Okay, get 2 elevator pieces, because I don't want to build in the elevator by accident. There we go. That is still equal. Awesome. Nope. Not know exactly which one it is anymore, but just work. Yeah, that should work. Now scratchy back. Okay, I'm going up there, up there, up there. This one goes there, this one goes there, and this one goes there. And then that area goes there, this one goes there. So I need to build this one out now, because then I can build this one out. Okay, now I need to go to that area again. Straight piece, straight piece. So I can go straight here, corner here, build a place out. The scary part here is I'm building such a big track and I'm testing every piece. But the moment it all runs together, I have no clue if one is gonna jam up, and it will probably be impossible to bloody see. Then it's like, where are all the marbles? Somewhere there. Oh man, that's gonna be so hideous to find. I'm doing my best to not jam anything, but I cannot predict that. Or if something goes too fast, which I cannot check right now because I'm checking per segment. If the marble builds up too much speed, then it just launches out. That's one is impossible to see. So yeah, like I bloody hope I'm not doing that, but yeah, we're gonna find out. We will find out when we get there. Cool. And we have this pad in play. And we have this one in play. And I need to move these two again, and I can do that. Yes. I can move this one now back again. So now we got dropper left. So we're gonna grab that one here. Man, I need to make a place above the camera so you guys cannot see it, but above the camera I can place all the droppers. So I need to make a small plateau above the camera where I can place all my droppers so I can just grab them here. I mean, that's a very smart thing to do. Like, if it is stuck, I can make a small plateau here and then just make a circle that I can swirl around so I can place all the type of droppers. Yeah, that can speed up the building. Then I can build faster so I don't have to walk back and forth and just grab it from there. Oh, and I can put some lights under it so I can get extra lights for this camera. Yeah, that's a good idea. I should definitely do that. Yeah. But I think then this becomes too heavy. So it needs to be pretty light. Because this one otherwise is gonna droop down. Yeah. If I make too much weight and if I do it with wood, it's too weight, so that this camera will go slowly down, which is not the best thing because this has some resistance, but it's a little bit too much if we add weight to that. But then you can make a cool LED strip light around it, so that helps the camera. So I can light this up even more because I think for now it's good, but it's overexposing camera-wise, and I need to get it down. Yeah. Yeah, definitely. Yep. Okay, this one goes here, so we need this one here. Grab a cool piece like this. And gonna test this one. Yeah, then I can add some more light that is literally around here. I think that's a good idea. We're gonna work that out. Okay, that is good. Okay, now this one goes over here, so let's test this. Ooh. Nope, don't drop the marble there. Okay, that's a good speed, so that goes checked there. Then this one stays there. Always put them back. So now we can build the track up here. There we go. Build that segment out. And let's go. Yeah. Okay, now we need a chunk going up here. Because this is all in the air, that's not good. Yeah, this is the part that I hate, that you need so much filler now. And now we need a straight piece that I have here, so that is good. Yeah, I think I still need to make a big stacker that goes 4 high and that just have magnets on top and bottom. I'm not 100% in play with a thing that is like I'm not a fan of having this as one segment and this all is emptied out. So just for fast printing it just goes up 4 layers, but at the same time it's, I noticed here too, I'm getting a lot of stuff on the outside that is never being used. So I could place a couple of these compact ones that have all the inside missing and just a very strong outside. I need to look at that, like if that actually works or not, because at the same time it can work, at the same time it cannot work. I don't feel happy with it. Yeah, I don't feel happy with it. But it makes sense if it works. And people will want to do it probably, so I cannot stop that. Okay. Okay, now this one is going to be a little bit nasty, because we need to place this one here, and then a straight piece here, and another straight piece to get this in place. There we go. And this one. So this one is over here, and that locks it in place. So we need another straight dropper, because I see that that edge is way too long for their goal. But yeah, slowly making progress. We're getting there. Right? Yeah, we're getting there. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4.
At Herzl Nurk said, next stop, insanity.
Are you sure we're already not leaving it? I think we're going to another level of insanity, man. Like, I think we left the platform insanity a long time ago, the moment I started this insane thing of 15 tracks. We need a higher level than insanity, please. Like, we already left that. Like, yeah, no, we're already left that. Quadro insanity, triple insanity, demon insanity.
At Herzl Nerd. Said. Okay, okay, Insanity Grid 17.
Now we're talking. Now we're talking. Okay, get this one there. This one here, so we can place this one here. Oh, cameras, because I'm building here. But yeah, like, I'm trying to, now don't build here anymore. So I'm building this part out. So let's get the camera switched up here now. And a little bit focus there. So I'm trying to get this part as open as I can to keep this so that it all goes a little bit more out up. So that way, if this goes up here, then we actually, hopefully, in 4 tree lanes, building all 15 out all the way around. At least that's the idea. I don't know if it's gonna work or not, but let's see. So this one, so this one goes here. Yeah. One, two, three. Down right. Down right. Woohoo! You know what? The moment this is live and on printables and other people gonna build, and everyone's like, why is he never building marble tracks anymore? Well, did you try it yourself and see how... Don't. But do. But I want to see other people going crazy as me, but yeah. Yeah, I definitely want to see other people going as crazy as me. Oh yes, you guys are gonna suffer too. That's gonna be cool. And I'm gonna laugh my ass off. Whee! Okay, so that is 4 here, 4 there. Okay, now we're gonna slowly move that direction up again. So we built this area out. And 5. Now it should be here. And then this one goes straight there. Okay, we got that pad and that pad, so... Down right. Then do that. Get this one in place. That should be fine. And that one should be fine too. Yep. Now we have this one here. I think this one works like that. The camera's still there. Yeah. All right, let's go. Nope. got that one in place. I want to go a bit here, a little bit here. So we're going to place the yellow one here. Place this one up here. I'm almost out of pieces. I'm almost out of pieces, man. Oh, time to print more. Yeah, I really need to print more. Like I'm slowly running out of actual corners. So down left. Down left. All right. Let's see if this one gets enough speed. Yes. Yeah, I'm slowly running out of pieces now. Like I have more left, so I've 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I have 7 single corners left. So 7 of these. That's not much. I have a lot more straights and some curvies, but like I only have 7 normal corners left. That's all I have corner-wise. So I'm going a little bit more straight right now. Yeah. It goes fast, and also straight droppers are 3 left, so yeah, I'm soon out. Let's test this one. Okay. That feels decent. Now this whole area needs to be building up. We're still having problems there and there. Okay, we can use that here. That, using those pieces. All the way up here. We have 2 straight pieces, so this is going to be a nasty one. Okay. Another straight. Yep, should not have. This was not a pet. No, not a pet. Okay. But this was. Okay, now we need another straight. Okay, we got that corner. Okay, damn it, we need another straight. I need to stop with the straights. I'm losing it. We're losing it. We're done. Yeah. Cool. That one still works. Okay, so now we're built out there, so now we can go back to the front and hopefully make it work. So a little bit there. And then we can do that. We can grab this camera and put this one out here. And we crushed the piece here, so that's not good. Oh crap. Oh crap. Oh, I don't know where this ends. I don't know where it starts. Boo. Crap. Yep, I'm out. Fuck me. Nope. Well, over. We lost. This one here. So somehow... Oh. We have 3 pieces that fell off. I don't know where they were. I don't see a loose track here. Let me sit down and see if I can actually find something. No. But I still bumped out the 4 and I don't know where it is left. Oh. No. No. No, I don't see any bloody route. What? I don't see a route. I don't see a route. Where the hell did the 4 fell off? I lost it. No. This already has a pad. This already has a pad. I don't know where the pad is. And the 4 fell off and I don't know where the 4 is. I don't see any broken pads. I'm lost. I'm really lost. Like, I really don't see it. Boo? Boo! Nothing makes sense. There are 3 pieces, no droppers included. And I don't see a pad that actually connects up. Or that is loose that actually makes sense. 2 is here. Where is 4 black? Where is 4 black? That goes there, that goes there. That goes straight. That goes that direction, that goes that direction. That goes there, that goes there. Found it. Yeah, found it. Okay, this is the place. This is the place. So this is where we go in. Okay. Found it. Okay. Found it! Woohoo! Oh, found it. Right? Yes. Yes, found it. Okay, that was nerve-wracking enough. This needs some reinforcements. Yeah. All right, 1, 2, 3. So this needs to go there. So. Down. Left. Okay. Let's see if this one goes. Okay. All right. I'm almost out of. I'm really out of pieces. Fuck. I'm so running out of pieces. So I really need to print more. Well, I have the plastic for it, so that's a good thing. Okay, now I can go there. Hallelujah. Okay. That one goes there. And that one goes there. Wait. Oh boy. Oh boy. Oh, that is not good. Okay, that's really high. I'm gonna pass it one out later. Okay, we can build out here a little bit more, and then we're out. Yeah, normal corner, sharp corner. So we need to build this one. We need to build here. And hopefully, yeah, the camera's there. So yeah, okay, makes sense. Okay, I'm gonna use my empties here. Hallelujah. Okay. I felt for a moment that I screwed up too much and was like, oh crap, I don't know where the pieces are, where, and I lost it. But we found the path. Reverse engineer it, back to square one. So that is good, that's good. one here. So then this one goes here, and then we have a straight in the new ones, yes. There we go, found that one out. So this one goes left. Yep. That's a bit too loose. Okay, so down, right. All right, we're getting there.
Thanks to our station sponsor, the Center for Stress Management.
Okay. And this one goes here. Oh, this needs to drop there, this needs to drop there. So we need corner piece here. And then this one again. So this one goes here. And down right. I'm pretty sure that this one needs to go here. Oh, come on, get the piece out. This one needs to go here. This one needs to go here, so we need to add a marble test. Okay, that's good enough. Then we need another straight piece. Oh God, I'm also running out of straight pieces now. I'm running out of everything. Oh, bloody hell. Oh. Okay. This one goes in that corner. This one goes here. But now we need to build this bed out with almost nothing in between. That is scary as hell. Okay, so we need to remove those two for a moment and get this in here. Get clicked in, put them back. Yes, awesome. Uh-oh. That is there. This should be 4. Yes, okay. Alright, this one goes here. Come on, place that in. Get a normal corner. This corner in. Okay, that structure is strong enough. And this one can be placed here too. Get a little bit of space, click it back. Then we go that direction, so we need another straight piece here. Cool, there we go, okay. We'll find out which one is which one later. That is just back, so that is a 4, that's that direction. This goes this direction. And this one goes here. Okay, that was madness, but we got it, so we got a little bit higher. Yeah, like, I'm out of pieces. I have 5, 6 left of these pieces, and that's it. And a couple pieces here, and that's it. So I'm out. I need to print more. So when I'm done with the stream, I'm gonna see that. I'm gonna start the core 1 and the you want to make more pieces. So I can actually now hopefully make a polymaker layer, because all the next layers of plastic will be polymaker. That's gonna be cool. And then slowly we're gonna build out a whole ring, so we're gonna keep this as open as we can and just stick out a little bit, so we go swirl around until we end up in the end. As much as we can. That's gonna be very excited. I'm excited for it. It's gonna take a decent long build time. Yep, that's a little bit slow stream and not fast content. I cannot change that. This is a slow process of building all this out. But when we get there, I can hopefully make some cool videos of the sides and the inside, and that is probably a cool 360 video. I think I make a cool 360 if this part here gets this height and I will have a big hole on the inside. I think then you can make a really cool 360 video just going all the way up and down, so you can actually see all the marbles running. I think I need to order more marbles, because I only have 30 right now, and if I can go to 60, I can get 15. I can get 4 marbles in each pad, so you have a high chance that the marbles get there. Problem, if they get stuck at the bottom, I can never get them out. Oh boy. Yeah. But this is cool. I got a lot of progress. Like I'm literally out of a lot of plastic right now. But that is really cool. Like, whoop, there we go. Like even the top camera cannot really fathom how bloody big it is. Like, we go to this camera and we see this one. Like, I cannot get far enough. This is around 600 pieces. This is around 600 pieces. This is around 600 pieces big. Yeah, I guess I have around 50 pieces left. That is mostly stackers and empties. So we now have this part of 600 pieces. I'm gonna go higher. It's gonna take so long to actually do, but it's gonna be cool. Anyway, thank you all for watching. If you have Discord and you want to join the server, you can click the link. It still should be working right now. I hope you have an awesome day, and probably see you next week, because I'm gonna have a week of just printing non-stop this. Oh, this is gonna be fun.